In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video channels to your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance your site's multimedia offering and engage visitors with dynamic content. Let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, let's go to the Wix editor interface. Once you're there, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This action will direct you to the Wix App Market, which is a fantastic tool where you can find a variety of applications to enhance your website's functionality. Now, in the App Market, you'll want to search for Wix Video. Simply type it into the search bar and you'll see it appear in the search results. When you find Wix Video, add it to your site. This might take a moment to load, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. Once it's successfully integrated, it will appear on your page. Now that Wix Video is on your site, click on it to reveal an option for settings. You'll want to click on Settings. This crucial step allows you to customize your video player to match your website's design and layout. Within the Settings panel, take your time to explore different customization options. You can adjust the layout and the design to fit the aesthetic of your entire site. Consider how the widget looks and feels, as this is how your audience will interact with your content. Within this Settings interface, find a section labeled Videos. Here, make sure you select the Channel option. This is where you can manage or create channels that categorize your content efficiently. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to either select an existing channel or create a new one. If you choose to create a new channel, click on Create a New Channel. This is where you can upload your videos and edit the channel information itself. Make sure that all the details are precise and engaging, as this will be part of what draws viewers into your content. After you've added your videos and tailored your channel information just the way you want, it's time to go back to your site. Within your Wix Video element on the page, choose the channel you just created or one that already exists, depending on your needs. Double-check that everything displays correctly and aligns with your overall site design. And there you have it. Your Wix site now hosts a customized video channel, ready to entertain and inform your visitors. Remember, this added video content can be a dynamic way to increase user engagement and make your site more interactive. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I wish you the best of luck with your website.